If you ever wanted to pause a video in After Effects in a specific second, here's how you can do it. Let's drag the video to our composition. I want to pause this video here when I say second. A specific second. Okay, it's right in this frame. We have to select the layer and trim the layer with Ctrl-Shift-D. Now we will have these two parts, and for this part at the bottom we have to right click, go to time, now go to freeze on last frame, and now you will see this will be the same length as the composition. I'm gonna move this layer forward so you can see this layer in a specific second pauses in that specific frame. But if we go to the audio waveform by pressing 2 times L, you will see the audio here continues. So to make this to be in silence, press L to go to the audio level. Now make a keyframe, go 1 frame forward and decrease the volume. Now press L 2 times again and you will see now it's fixed. So here you will choose how much time the video will be freezed, and I want the video to be freeze until this point, and just trim this again with Ctrl-Shift-T, delete these other parts, and let's bring back this other layer. Now let's see, fix second. Here's how you can fix second, and there you can see how to pause a video in any second you want. Here's how you can do it. Another thing is if you want to use this as an image. So you want a specific frame of the video like this, and I only want this frame. So right click, go to time and select freeze frame. And now the entire length will be only this frame. And you can even make this longer. That's all. If this was helpful for you, consider liking and subscribing. If you're starting in motion graphics, want to improve fast and build a solid portfolio, join Animation Essentials in the link in the description.